How to change pickup location on Walmart application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to change pickup location on Walmart app. So first thing first, just head over to your Walmart application and just click on this account section from the bottom right corner. Make sure you have already signed into your account, and as you can see there is an option, there is a purchase history, so simply select it. From here you can easily track your order status, start a return, or view a purchase history and receipts. So now to change your Walmart pickup location within the app, you will need to navigate to this section and find the relevant order. For this case, I haven't ordered anything yet, so just locate your order and then click on edit the pickup location after tapping on it. And if the order is still processing, you should be able to cancel and reorder with the new location. So once you select the option to change the pickup location and choose your new desired store, make sure to save the updated pickup location before proceeding. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.